To add news articles to Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your website editor. From the editor, click on the Add button on the top bar and select Blog from the drop-down menu. This will create a new blog page on your website where you can add news articles. Next, click on the Add Post button to create a new article. Enter a title for your article in the title field and add your content in the text editor. You can format your text using the various formatting options available, such as bold, italic, and underline. To add images to your article, click on the Add Media button and select the image you want to upload from your computer. You can also add videos and other media files to your article using the same process. Once you have added your content and media, click on the Publish button to publish your article. Your article will now be live on your website and can be viewed by visitors. To organize your news articles, you can create categories and tags. Categories allow you to group related articles together, while tags allow you to assign keywords to your articles. This makes it easier for visitors to find related content on your website. To add categories and tags, click on the Settings button on the top bar and select Blog Settings. From here, you can create new categories and tags and assign them to your articles. Best practices for adding news articles to Wix include keeping your articles concise and informative, using attention-grabbing headlines and images, and optimizing your articles for search engines by using relevant keywords. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a news section on your Wix website that is engaging, informative, and easy to navigate. This will help to attract and retain visitors, and establish your website as a credible source of information in your industry.